Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. This is one of the latest new chat bot AIs that recently came out, and today we're going to show you some of the basic functionality and how to use it.
All right, so when you go to OpenAI and click and sign in with your credentials, it'll bring you to this screen, which is the basic screen. At the top, you can see two buttons here. One is GPT 3.5. It's kind of a regular version. And then there's a paid version, GPT-4, which we'll talk about in a future video. And the main magic happens at the bottom here with the prompting. It's basically like a search bar. There are a few kind of example buttons on top which you can use, but there's the prompt bar, and then below, depending on what plugins you have, you can enable them as part of additional functionality.
Yeah, so just to get started, you can ask it something as simple as, what is the tallest building in the world? All you have to do then is hit enter, or there's going to be a green arrow search bar that says send message. You have to click on that, and then it will spit out a answer based on its latest database. So this happens to be in 2021. You can upvote or downvote depending on if you think this is the right answer for you, and even copy to your clipboard for easy pasting. So another example of this would be something like, write me a letter of resignation, and hit enter again, and it will spit out an example of a letter of resignation.
So I think the real powerful thing that ChatGPT can do is in the spirit of prompting. So we just wrote one that says write me a resignation letter, but you can also say stuff like make it a 100 words, right? So we'll try that. And you can see now it's going to try to attempt to do that in 100 words, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Or you could say something like, write it in the tone of Barack Obama. And then it'll try to do that as well. And there's also functionality like, please remove all the text in these brackets or something. But the point is that the more and more you use ChatGPT, the more sophisticated you could get with this, and it can even do things like create certain pieces of code and programs and in different languages. So there's a lot of things you could do with ChatGPT.
Yeah. One of the constraints of ChatGPT, though, is that it's mainly pulling from a local database. So if you want to get the most recent and relevant information, you can add this plugin down here called Web Access. If you type into your Chrome window Web Access GPT, you can add this as a Chrome extension to ChatGPT. So when you click this button right here as Web Access, now we can ask them, who won the NBA Finals in 2023? And from there, when you hit send message, it will scan the internet. It has this really long prompt here that you can keep scrolling down through. And it will give you a more relevant and recent answer. As you can see, this one is in 2023. So it's a great tool if you want something that is more recent. So this is a quick tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. We hope you like this video. If you want to see more how-to videos on the latest AI technology, please check out our channel, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and the bell icon for more videos like this.